how to set up Shopify payments. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can set up Shopify payments quickly and very fast. So firstly, I want you guys to come on to shopify.com, and then after that, once you guys have logged in, you guys are gonna see this dashboard. So now from over here, take a look at the bottom left where you guys see the option for settings. Click on that. Now from over here, I want you guys to just simply click on payments over here. So click on payments. Now you guys are going to see all of Shopify's payment options. So from over here, you guys can click on choose a provider to add a payment provider. You guys can add in payment method from over here. You guys can also add in manual payment methods if you guys want to add a specific type of payment method, for example, cash on delivery or some other way. You guys can do that. So that is how easy it is to set up Shopify payments. So if I wanted to add payment providers, I can click on payment providers and I have so many options come up. I can choose whatever option I want and I will be able to use that particular option for me. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to just simply set up Shopify payments. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.